In today's video, I'll teach you how to use a coupon on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to use the coupon, first of all, what you have to do is add the item to cart. For that, simply scroll down in this interface. You'll be able to find various items over here. Simply click on the item that you would like to purchase, or you can also search for it if you want. Now you'll be led to the item details interface. You'll be able to see the details regarding that item. What you have to do is click on this option, add to cart, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular item will be added to the cart. Click on this option, see in cart, that you can see on the screen. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to cart over here. Now in order to apply your coupon, what you have to do is click on this option, go to checkout, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. You can see over here, you'll have to select your payment method. You'll be able to find various options like PayPal, Venmo, add new card, etc. In order to add the coupon, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for gift cards and coupons. What you have to do is simply enter the coupon code over here. Click on the field of enter code. Now look into your coupon. You'll be able to find the code over here. Simply enter the coupon code. Now after you do that, click on the apply option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be able to use your coupon. The discount promised by your coupon will be given to you. So like this, you'll be able to use a coupon. So that is how you use a coupon on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.